my reflection video about our subject, the contemporary world. Important lesson learned in the contemporary world as a student, as a future seafarer, and as a global citizen. As a student, in studying the contemporary world, I learned that globalization connects countries through trade, technology, and communication, making the world feel smaller. I also realized that understanding human rights, environmental protection, and international law helps me become more aware of current issues. As a future seafarer, this subject taught me how important global rules are, especially the law of the sea, which guides safety, navigation, and responsibilities on international waters. I learned that seafarers must respect human rights, protect environment, and follow international laws to keep the ocean safe. As a global citizen, I learned that I am part of a bigger world where my actions, whether online, in the environment, or towards others, can affect people in different countries. Understanding globalization and global laws taught me the value of cooperation, respect of human rights, and caring for our planet. Favorite and least favorite topic. What was your most favorite lesson or topic and why? I enjoy studying law of the sea because it helps me understand the rules that guide shape and protect the ocean where I will work in the future. It teaches me how countries share boundaries, use resources, and ensure safe and peaceful navigation. As a maritime student, this topic prepares me for real-life situation at sea and strengthens my future career as a seafarer. What was your least favorite lesson or topic and why? I least like the topic globalization and media because it is very common and we hear about it all the time. These ideas can get repetitive and some it's hard to stay interested. It can also be challenging to understand how all the global and media changes connect to each other. Suggestion for improvement. What do you think can be done or to improve the teaching and learning of this class? Suggestions for improvement. What do you think can be done to improve the teaching and learning of this class? For me, everything is fine because Sir Mao teaches well and his explanations are easy to understand and the students enjoy the class. In terms of teaching, everybody is okay and there are no problems. When it comes to learning, it really depends on the students and whether they participate and cooperate. For me, there's nothing that needs to be improved because the class is already good. Feedback about your professor. What things you like most? What I like about Sir Mao is that he handles students very well and the vibe is really good both inside and outside the classroom. One thing I really like is his sense of humor and the way Sir Mao laugh, how it sounds it's very funny. Sir is very good and we feel comfortable because he goes along with us and we don't feel pressured. Things you like least and how this can be improved. What I like least about Sir Mao is actually nothing but there are just times when Sir can't attend the class. Maybe because he's very busy and we understand that. I honestly don't have anything dislike about him. Parting message to Crystal College, my classmate, myself, and Sir Mao. For Crystal College has been a place where I grow, learn, and discover my strengths. Thank you for giving me experience that shaped me who I am today. I will always carry the lessons and memories from the school. For my classmate, thank you for the laughter, teamwork, and support we shared. We face challenges together and help each other to become better. I hope we all succeed in our own paths. To myself, thank you for not giving up. even when things were difficult. I'm proud of how far I've done. I know I can achieve more if I keep going. I will continue to believe in myself, and my abilities, and work hard. To Sir Mao, thank you for guiding us with patience, kindness, and understanding. Your way of teaching made learning easier and more fun. I will always appreciate your support and the lesson you taught us. Thank you.